So here's how you can add your own sounds on TikTok. So step number one, if we head over to TikTok and then we take a TikTok, what we can now do is click on add sound at the top here. Now the only options we have got is recommended, favorites and recent. So there is no option to add this inside the TikTok app. So to get around this, what we need to do is go back. You then want to download and install CapCut on your device. Once we open it up here, you will then be able to open up your project and then you can select add audio on the audio track. Now, once we select add audio, click on sounds. And then from here, you want to go to the top and you simply want to click on the folder icon and then select device. Once we click on device, if there is not the option for the one that you want here, you want to select from device. And then you can click on the audio track from the downloads that you've got on your device. Click on open. That will then add this over to your CapCut. You can then click on the plus icon. And then as you can see, that has then added that track to my track to my project. To add this to TikTok, all we need to do is click on export in the top right hand corner. Once we click on export, that will then be saved to your device and then you can upload the TikTok as you would usual without adding any other sound. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I'll see you in the next one.